Finding seasonal keywords with trends and data is a powerful way to boost your content strategy and take advantage of timely searches. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to find these seasonal keywords using real-time trends and data, helping you target your audience at the perfect time. First, let's dive into Google Trends. This is one of the best tools to uncover what people are searching for based on seasonality. To start, go to trends.google.com, type in a keyword related to your niche, and look at its search volume over the past year. You'll notice that certain keywords have clear peaks during specific times of the year. This is where the magic happens. Use these spikes to plan content around when people are most interested. But don't stop there. You can also filter by regions or categories to narrow down trends that are most relevant to your audience. This will help you see what's seasonal, not just globally, but in specific regions or niches. Now let's take a look at other keyword research tools that can help us dig even deeper. SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Ubersuggest all have features to track seasonal search volume trends. These platforms give you a detailed look at keyword volume and how it changes over time, so you can plan your content calendar more effectively. For example, when you search for a keyword in Ahrefs, you'll see not only its monthly search volume, but also the seasonality factor. If you're looking at a keyword like Christmas decorations, you'll see a major spike in December. This is key data that you can use to time your posts, ads, and product launches. Another great tool to keep in your arsenal is Google Keyword Planner. This free tool inside Google Ads helps you find keyword trends and seasonality data based on actual search volume over time. It's also useful for finding variations of keywords that you might not have thought about. You can even set up alerts for specific keywords, so you're notified when the search volume starts to rise. Once you've got your seasonal keywords, it's time to analyze them against competitor data. Look at how your competitors are using seasonal keywords in their content and assess if there's a gap that you can fill. Tools like BuzzSumo can help you identify which seasonal topics are generating the most engagement. It's important to remember that seasonal trends aren't just about timing, they're about relevancy. If you find a seasonal keyword with a peak during a certain time, but it's not relevant to your audience, it's not worth targeting. Always focus on how the trend aligns with what your audience needs at that time of year. So, what's the key takeaway from this? The best way to find seasonal keywords with trends and data is to use tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Google Keyword Planner to spot patterns and align them with your content strategy. By timing your content with seasonal searches, you'll attract more traffic and engagement during the peak seasons. Before you go, remember to check out the exclusive free trial I've linked in the description below. This is a tool I personally recommend for keyword research, and you'll get full access to it as a viewer of my channel, Dan Thorne. To recap, here's what you need to do. Use Google Trends to spot seasonality, then back that data up with tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush for deeper insights. Align your content with these trends, and don't forget to analyze your competitors to fill any gaps. By using seasonal keywords, you'll stay ahead of the curve and keep your content relevant. Thanks for watching.